morning, everyone. We are going to be potting some plants this morning. And it's kind of a rainy day, but it's super warm, so we're excited. And I have Rory and Evie with me. Rory, do you want to say hi to the children?
Hi, children.
Come say hi.
Hi, children.
Say, my name's Rory.
My name's Rory.
Okay, let's get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants that need to be repotted. Okay?
Okay.
We also have some pots. Some of the pots are really big, and some of the pots are a little bit smaller. This one's small, this one's big. Now, in order to repot plants, we need some soil. These are really big bags of soil. We're also going to need a little bit of water. And we have some tools. Rory, are you ready to help? Okay. So, let's start with one of the little ones first. We'll start with this one. We're going to put our Christmas cactus in this little blue pot. Rory, are you going to help me? So the first thing I like to do is put a little bit of soil in the pot first. So Rory, can you scoop some soil into the pot? This is 1/3 of a cup. We'll do 1/3 of a cup at a time. So put your umbrella down and come over here. I'll get it started. Do you want to help?
Do you want to help?
So I need you to scoop some soil into this pot. Come here, Eves. You can help too. The soil's in this bag. Rory, ready? It's in here. Yeah, see all the soil in here? We're going to scoop some into the pot. Great. How about a little more? We'll do it together. You want to keep scooping? We want to make sure that the pot is pretty full, but not too full because we still need room for the plants to be on the inside. Nice scoops. Keep scooping. Okay. It's getting full, you're right. It's kind of hard. This is the end of a bag, so it's hard to get the last bits out. All right. Good job. So now that we have it pretty full, we're going to create a little bit of space to put the plant. So I'm creating a little hole. It's hard to see. Thanks, Roy. Last scoop. Okay, can you stand over here for a minute? So, this is in a little pot right now. I'm going to gently pull it out. See the plant? We want to make sure that all the roots stay together. So I'm going to put it right in here. Okay, Rory, I need your help again.
Need your help again.
Now that we have the plant in here, we need to put more soil around it so that we can pat it down nice and tight. So I'm going to keep filling this pot all the way up. And we're at the bottom of the bag, so I'm going to dump some of this around it.
That looks pretty full.
And I think we need to open the other bag of soil. So we're going to do that. There we go. Okay. We are almost finished with this Christmas cactus. There you go. Thanks for your help. Have you ever potted plants with your family?
Yeah.
It can be a little bit tricky sometimes. That looks really nice. And we kind of want to press it down in there so that it feels good in its new home. Okay. Rory, the last thing that we want to do, now that we have our Christmas cactus nice and planted, is we need to give it a little water. So Rory, come here, Roar. I need you to fill this up. Come over here where the water is. Watch how I do it. I'm going to dunk it.
Have it?
And then can we water our Christmas cactus? Great. It's probably really happy in its new home. Here it is. Should we do another one? Alright, we don't need any more water, Boar. Let's save that for the next one. The next one we're going to do is this aloe plant. And this guy has really, really little roots, but it's kind of a big plant. Okay, Roar, so we're going to fill this up just like we did the other one. Can you help scoop the soil out?
Have it?
Sure. Come over here.
Come over here. One.
Go around. Eve, you can give some too. All right, so we're going to fill it up. Just this one right here, Roar. This gold pot. We're gonna fill it up, fill it up, fill it up to the top. We're getting some big scoops of soil. Okay, do you think we have enough soil in there? So it's not all the way full, but I like to leave a little space. One more scoop, Roar. Okay, now we're going to create a little hole, and then we're going to stick this plant right in our hole. Boop. And then we put a little bit more soil around it so that it feels good in its new home. Great, getting the soil in here. Today is the perfect day to pot plants because it's really warm and it's a little bit rainy.
Or this plant?
We'll do that one next. Okay, Roar, are you ready to give this plant a little water?
A little water.
Go get the watering can.
The watering can. Put the watering can.
I like to pat him in here. Nice. Okay, give him a little water. I bet the plant's saying, thank you so much for my new home. All right, a couple more. You want to do the big one next?
The big one next?
All right, here's the big one. This one's heavy. So we're going to need a lot of soil to fill this big pot. And then, you ready? We need a scoop.
What is it?
We need to scoop. Lots and lots of soil for this one. And I didn't tell you this earlier, but all of these plants are going to be inside plants. So we want to do our best to keep the soil in the pot and not on the side. But sometimes it's hard because everything gets a little bit messy. And that's okay too. takes a lot of scoops to fill a pot this big. So one thing that I might do is now that we have a lot of scoops, I might take the bag and dump some of it in there. Big dump. Dump, dump. And this is something that an adult has to do because these bags are really heavy.
Make a little hole for them.
Yeah, we are going to make a little hole. You're right. Just want to get a lot of soil in here first.
I can see.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Okay. Now we're going to make a big hole for the big plant.
I want to hold your umbrella.
Sure.
I need the umbrella.
Here's our big plant. This is called a yucca cane, and it has a really thick kind of trunk. So I'm going to really carefully take this one out of its container because I want to make sure that all the roots stay in place.
The one use a logging can.
And we'll stick them right in the pot. Okay. We need a little bit more soil. Rory, are you getting the water ready? We want to make sure this guy feels nice and secure in his new home. Thank you so much, Rory. I bet he's happy to be in his new home. This one might need a little bit more water because he's so big and probably so thirsty. Pretty good. Thanks, Roar. That's great. Okay, one more pour. Thank you so much. All right, we have one last plant to do. You ready for the last one?
The wood doing the wood one?
I like the name of this one. This is a ponytail palm. Kind of silly.
The lion can.
Okay. So like always, the first thing we do
Here's the lion can.
is this soil. And this is another big pot that might take a little while. So I'm just going to dump a lot of the soil in. We'll create our hole for it so that it has room. And then I'm going to be really careful with this one too. Because it's kind of interesting if you look. It's hard to see. But it's almost like two big bowls sitting on top of the soil. So I'm wondering how deep the roots go. Whoa! Look at the roots on that plant. And it looks like I might have put too much soil in here. So I'm going to move it around a little bit so that this guy has plenty of room. I might even have to dump some of the soil out because I got too much. Sometimes that happens too. Let's see. All right, let's try this again. I had too much soil in there to start. That's better. And we're gonna push it in there. Okay, Roar, can you water this new plant? He needs some.
The lion can.
Yep. Can you come over here and water this one? Evie, you can dump some of that water in here too. How about a nice big pour? Great! I'm going to rinse my hands off in the water, and then we're going to look at all the plants that we potted today.
The umbrella.
That was a lot of fun. fun. Let's take a look. So, we did the aloe plant. We did the Christmas cactus. We did, let's see, the yucca cane. And we did the ponytail palm. Thanks for joining us this morning. Hopefully we'll see each other again soon. Rory, can you say bye to the children?
Bye, children.
Evie, can you say bye, children? Say bye.
Yeah, bye.
See you later.